Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we only going to be using one account. Most people that use My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, 3, 5, 7. I even seen somebody with 10 accounts. So we only using one to just get started, try to get into the market real quick, see if this works for you guys, check and see if it works for you. It's working for me, and I just want to spread the love, you know what I mean? So anyway, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting a $25 business and their company, the Home Business Academy. Essentially, it's because of their affiliate system, which is 80% income, 80% on whatever they sell. But this particular product, the $25 business, is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month 80% of the sales you get, which is absolutely insanity. It's very easy to build up income doing this. And yeah, man, so I want to show you guys this method, and I just been showing you me going through it like this for the last, I want to say 5 or 6 months. It's been close to somewhere around there. It's almost been half a year. And like I'm saying, I'm just doing the bare minimum, guys. You guys do a little bit more to get sales, you'll probably do way better than me. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and look at our results here. I'm gonna refresh the page. Don't believe results if the page ain't refreshed. All right, guys, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Or rebuild, I'm not sure. You guys will know by the thumbnail. I have sales up there if I got a sale. Okay, so anyway, guys, as you can see, it's still treated like a sale though. This ain't a sale that I got today if it's a rebuild. You understand what I mean? I'm getting paid for something I got a sale for a long time ago. That's my point. And that's the thing. So all of these are treated like sales, even though they're not. They're rebuilds. I think they're rebuilds. I don't know for sure, but you see what I mean when it comes to recurring income. That's why I like promoting this particular product. So at the very minimum, guys, promote this product and get some income going. You know what I mean? At the bare minimum, do that at least. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys how to exactly do what I'm doing here. So first off, you on my video, right? So you on my video, all you gotta do is come to the description here. Come to the description. You'll come to step 1 here. It says join $25 business. Now this is what you want to join here, guys. So you're gonna click on this right here. It should take you to a page or something like this. Now this page here is the sales letter. It teaches you, it shows you how much money you can make real quick. You get $20 monthly commissions and $100 monthly commissions. Now I'll explain $100 real quick soon. I got a couple of people paying $100 every month too. So I'm just showing you guys that this really builds up real quick. So anyway, we're just gonna, when you decide you want to join, you're just gonna click on one of the green buttons throughout the page. After you finish reading, it's a bunch of green buttons up there. You can find one. You just click on it right there, and then it'll take you to the purchase page here. So all you gotta do is put in all your information, blah blah blah, and you get the page. You get the $25. Now there's one thing I want to show you. Now this is the $100 commission here, guys. The $125 per month. You get it 14 days for free. It's basically training on how to get sales and stuff like that. And it got an emerging content machine you can use to post on Instagram or whatever, or give you emails or whatever it may be you need. And yes, it's $125 a month. All right, and you could choose to have 14 days. I recommend getting this. Also, it's still $25. All right, so, since this is free for 14 days. Anyway, here's the thing I want to make sure I explain. You have to own the product to get sales off of it. For example, you were to come through and not get this product right, only pay $25 and get that product right. Then you get somebody in the system and they decide they want this product. All right, you'll get the $20 commission, but you won't get the $100 commission because you don't have this product. You see what I'm saying? So that's why you want to get both. Anyway, once you do that, you're gonna come on to a page or something like this. Oh, I gotta log in. Log in, blah blah blah. HBA Premium. This is the merging content machine. You just ask it whatever you want, but you get to a page that looks something like this here. We're gonna focus on the top here. All right, so you're gonna click on affiliate zone. Right, you click on affiliate zone. By the way, it's videos explaining all of this. I'm just giving you like the abridged version. Anyway, you're gonna click on the affiliate program here, sign in. You click on this and you just put in your information, sign in. Right, it'll get you, eventually you'll get to a page. When you log into your SAM card, you'll get to this page here that we started with at the very beginning. Now you won't have any money in this page, but you will have a link that you get all your links here. Now this is the particular link I'm using for the all-in-one $25 bid. This is the one that's working for me, guys. So this is the link you want to use. All right, guys. So now that you got your link, what you need to do now is come back to this page here. All right. So you come back to my video, and you see step 2. Now this say join my lead gen secrets. So very easily just hop up here. It'll take you to this page here. Now what he's gonna explain, if you want to listen to it, is how my lead gen secrets works. But TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day, and these guys are interested in making money online, so our product is perfect for it. So anyway, you just log in, make your account, log in, whatever. Right, you get to this page here. Now you get to this page here, guys. Then this page is just essentially everything that's going on in your system now. So you got my leads here. We'll show you all the lead master email sprites. You can purchase them if you want. I give you emails though, so you don't need them, but you can if you want to. Mailing system, click on this. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click on that, and we're gonna get all our leads here, guys. And once we get our leads, we're just gonna load up our next email here. My particular email tend to work the best, so I'm just gonna use my emails. My emails, once you get a bunch of emails loaded up in here, it works really well, you know. What was the last email I sent? Oh, okay. Is that the next one? Let's go with this one. Okay, this is the day 9 email here. Alright, so we're just gonna focus on that. If you're interested in copying it, you can if you want to. Just pause the video and you can copy it. Alright, guys, so we're just gonna scroll down. I'll show you the whole email so you can copy it. Alright, that's it. Alright, you put your link right here, guys. Make sure you hit perfect time. What that does, send an email around time people check the emails, and then you want to preview and make sure your link works. So you just scroll down, hit this real quick, see if your link works. My link does works, which is really good. And then that's about it, guys. You're done. You send an email. It's over. That's all it takes. Very quick process, easy to do, easy to show, and very simple. The absolute laziest way to make money online. No joke. Once you get a lot of emails in here, all you gotta do is load up an old email, and boom, you're done. That's all you gotta do. That takes about 30 seconds a day, guys. And look at what I'm making with this now. I only made $4,700 doing this. So this works for me. It works for me, and I believe it'll work for you guys too. That's all I want to say, man. All right, guys. So yeah, man. Links in the description, like I explained. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.